I don't know if you can see this or not, but there is a slight rainbow in the midst of all of these nasty clouds. Like somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, there it is. There it is. Do you see it? These are some sick clouds. Oh my goodness. Sickening. Just sickening. Look at it. Oh, it kind of went away, I think. Or maybe we're right over it. Oh, man. I wonder if I could ever find the end of the rainbow. Like, I do not like the looks of this. I do not. Right now, my approximate location is Santee, South Carolina, which is rather close to a body of water called Lake Marion. These clouds are nasty. Apparently, there's been some rain over here, so looks like the hurricane might be headed that way. Because it's clear on that side, as you can see, clear. And then it fades to dark. I guess that's why we have the rainbow since it rains.